Welcome to Pyramid Securities. Today we are going to look at Nifty close. We have done a small analysis in the morning. 27 advances was the time. The time now it is 34 advances, 15 declines. In terms of advance and declines, it's bullish. If you look at it is close below open price. So it is not bullish nor bearish. It has gone all the way down up to 18,064 and reclaimed 160 points. So which means like somebody has gone to the from 10th floor, somebody has gone to the 8th floor, so the second floor, and they again pulled back up to the 8th floor. So which means there is still some force in the power in the market, which means like this is a fantastic candlestick which I'll explain. Please watch. Okay. Now we'll go to that. 37 at 34 advances, 15 declines. Market snapshot. Uh, so 61,000 crores volume, which is decent, which is good. Otherwise, 1.5 advance decline ratio. All indices are in green. So my mid cap is 0.9%. So action is shifted to mid cap. Mid cap other 8.89, small cap 0.83. So the action is in mid cap. The lowest is like Nifty 50. Nifty 50 and all is normal, but the action is shifted to small and mid cap. That is what it says. Now we look at VIX is also below. VIX is also below 50, so 20. Sectoral indices, let's say, which is doing this. Next, we look at sectoral indices. So bank, metal have gone up. In fact, the previous day also metal has gone up. Auto is up. These are all. So metal very something 4% up the other day. Now again, follow-up action is happening. Nifty PSU Bank, the action continues. So oil and gas, realty, all these are in all these are in good strength. What is it weak? Pharma looks weak. Healthcare looks weak. Consumer durable looks weak. IT looks weak. Okay, so when we see IT going up 4% in a day, then we will take a call whether it's doing well or not. So basically, you will make money in. If you look at it, Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty Bank, financial services, private bank, all these guys are in financial services sector, so they can give you more better interest, better returns. So next is other indices. Well, PSC, Nifty PSC is doing well. I don't know what is this leverage, mid cap liquid, all like these indices. I'm not able to. These are there indices within indices, so different opportunities. All these indices we have to go and check. This is public sector enterprises. 0.95 is nothing great. It's decent. Uh, Nifty top gainers, Britannia, SBI, and we saw in the morning also Adani Enterprise, Asian Motors. See, all these guys will do well. ICICI Bank has come popping up in the screen. Top losers: Divi's Lab, Asian Paint, Simpler, Sun Pharma, Adani Ports. Just we need to whether they see the thing is whether they're in downtrend or in sideways. We have to check the chart. If the guys are in downtrend or in sideways after a good move, then we have to wait. So Divi's Lab was up 8% the other day. Now it's down 8%. Again, let's look at Divi's Lab. What's happening in Divi's Lab? Divi. I remember the other day it was up some 8%. Oh my God. So Divi's Lab, you have to run for cover. Divi's Lab, look at this volume here. This is around 3 lakhs 56, 18 lakhs, and this is 28 lakhs. So this is like either a selling climax or if it's a selling climax or a breakout. It is difficult to say now. Looks like a selling climax, huge. Divi's Lab can be bullish only if technically can be bullish above at least this low, this volume low. So Divi's Lab can turn bullish, can be. I'm just saying this is an investor education initiative. So if you see such charts, you don't need to panic. Sometimes they'll see this is a good sideways movement, and which is decent. Now it is broken this low, and probably this is called selling climax. Uh, it is confirmed when you see somewhere it should rise at least from this low, at least 10% above it closes. We can say it could be there are other ways also to find out, but those things we can teach you only in the trading. Other ways to find the market bottom, and this is huge volume, but this volume is 18 lakhs. This volume is 28 lakhs. You have to be careful. Divi's Lab. So otherwise, the volumes of Bank of Baroda, PNB, RVNL, Rail Vikas Nigam, it looks interesting. Railtel and Rail Vikas Nigam, we need to look at it. Suzlon and JP Power, I don't want to talk about it. I'm not tracking. Just Bank looks interesting. Tata Steel looks popping up frequently. This is where the value you can see the value, the stocks which have which are high priced can't go in huge volumes like this. So generally high priced stocks you can should look at value. So State Bank, something is happening. Adani Enterprise, something is happening. We saw in the morning. I think Adani Enterprise there's a breakout. Bank of Baroda 9% up. Today let's check it. Bank of Baroda close. Let's check. Bank of Bank of Baroda is an interesting close. It's like it is like close. It is it's kind of a doji, but not very clear. But it's like a breakout only because of the volume. Let's look at RVNL. RVNL, right? Because no, Adani Enterprises. It showed a clear breakout. So see, when you see this is called a breakout. The volume is like yesterday's volume was 61 lakhs. Today's volume is 59 lakhs. The year the volume is 12 lakhs. So if you trade a breakout, Adani was if you trade a breakout, then this low, this low you should keep it as a stop loss because this is the this low or you can or you should keep this low. Okay, so Adani Enterprises breakout and Bank of Baroda breakout, and of course Britannia we saw in the morning. Britannia Industries. So Britannia, this is a fantastic. This is a confirmed breakout. It's called more than a runaway gap. This is very interesting. Uh, so Britannia looks interesting. Then look at price spurts. If you track price spurts, you'll never miss a stock which will go multi-bagger. Everything whenever stock goes up 20%, go and check the finance fundamentals, which I already share, which I'll share soon. All these stocks, we check the fundamental or backed by volumes. There is some action is happening. Price spurts with price movement. Volume spurts with price movement is extremely important. Volume spurts, price movement at the bottom is bullish. Volume spurts and price momentum at the highest level, we need to be cautious. ISBTC, what is the BBTC? It's gone up with volume, so something is happening in BBTC. The stock has woken up. The stock has been sleeping, has woken up. All these stocks which is going 26, 27 times volumes, something is happening. Volume is happening means not you and me are buying, institutions are buying. Okay. Now then look at today. This we generally we said so Nifty again at it's again a doji pattern. It's called Dragonfly Doji, Nifty Dragonfly Doji, and the premium is intact, 60-point premium. The other day there's 100-point premium. Now it is 60-point premium. Bank Nifty again, it's kind of it's I don't know what it means. It's kind of a hammer. The premium is intact. So this is a bullish. You know, this is also a doji. This is clearly open, closed above the open price. So in these cases, it's happening. Suppose if it is happening at the bottom at ultra bullish, if it's happening at the top, we need to be a little more cautious. Something is going to happen in both ways. Something can happen when you find such this. But if you find a candle like this at the bottom, it's bullish, and if you find at the top, we need to be cautious. Depending on the high, if it takes out this high, it can be ultra bullish, and we need to look at it now. Having said that, let's look at Nifty weekly chart again. So Nifty weekly chart, weekly update. So weekly chart again, no, it's got a breakout here. It's got a breakout. So we need to be as long as this low is not violated, it's going to be bullish. That's where it is. Please like, subscribe, and share. All these, we have more interesting videos are coming. Please support, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. This is an investor education initiative of Pyramid Securities. Thank you. Have a great day.